When you inhale, air enters the lungs and oxygen from that air passes into the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, passes out of the blood into the lungs and is exhaled. This process, called gas exchange, is fundamental to life. The lungs are the center of the respiratory system. Organs involved in breathing include the nose, throat, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs, also called airways. We inhale from the nose and also from the mouth. We can exhale through both of these airways too.
The air goes through the pharynx, which is a muscular funnel that is extended from the nose to the esophagus and the larynx. It's divided into three parts: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. Then it goes through the larynx and trachea. The main function of the trachea is to keep the air clear so the air can enter and exit our body smoothly. The trachea is connected to the bronchi and it allows air to go through the neck. After this, it goes to the bronchi and bronchioles. They carry air from the trachea into the lungs in addition. The smooth muscle tissue of its walls helps regulate airflow in the lungs.
And finally, this oxygen goes to the lungs. It provides with the space that makes the lungs expand when we breathe. And the negative pressure which makes the lungs fill up with air as they relax. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung and has two lobes, while the right lung has three lobes. Inside the lungs, there are tiny sacs called alveoli, which work on the air entering the alveoli to exchange its gases with the blood passing through the capillaries. The diaphragm is also one of the most crucial organs in the respiratory system. It basically allows the air to go through the lungs since it moves and makes more space in the thoracic cavity. And when it is relaxed, it allows air to exit our body from our lungs during exhalation.